That was pretty loud. All right, hopefully you're gonna know this next one so you can sing it with me because I just want to hear your voices, really. Are you ready? We'll see if you know it. I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer of what? Ooh. We were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we are in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never. Well, I guess that was true. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods on an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems singing ba ba ba. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of all our lungs. Now we're out of the covers. Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers. Yeah, we are all we need when we're holding each other. I'm taken back to 2002.